How to create the background for your animation. You're going to open a new Photoshop document and click Film and Video, but change the PSI to 300 and create a new document. Then you're going to Google Images for a reference photo. So in my case, my interview takes place, or the story takes place, in a kitchen. So I'm Googling kitchen, I'm finding an image, I'm opening it up, I'm clicking Save Image As, and I'm naming it Kitchen so it's easy to find, and putting it on my desktop. I'm going to open the kitchen with Photoshop, select all, edit, copy, and pasting it into the document that I just created, hitting Edit, Transform, Scale, and resizing it so that it fits the entire document and goes all the way to the edges with no white showing. My next step is to lower the opacity to around 30%, and then I'm going to create a new layer on top of the nearly transparent image of the kitchen, and all my drawing is going to take place in the new layer. If I need to make a straight line, the way that I do that in Photoshop is to use the brush tool, click on a spot, and then hit the Shift key and click on another spot, and Photoshop will automatically connect the two dots with a straight line. Make sure that all the shapes you're creating are closed. So in this case, I can't see the right-hand edge of my document. It might be really easy to accidentally end the line too early, but that'll make it hard to color in my design later on. Every once in a while, hide the image with the photograph and take a look at what your design looks like, since the photograph will not be in your completed design. It's just a reference that you're using underneath. Also, don't worry about including every single detail. By necessity, backgrounds in animations should be simplified and muted because the focus should be on the characters. In order to color an area, you select it with the magic wand, you modify the selection to expand it by 3 pixels, you deselect, and you go to the bottom background layer, reselect, and then do Edit, Fill, Color, and select the color that you want for the area. Therefore, the color will be on the bottom layer, and the line work will be on the top layer. Eventually, you're going to delete the middle layer with the photograph and save the entire thing as a flattened JPEG to be used later in your animation.